What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of iFishLI. In today's video, we're gonna be heading out for holdover stripers again. This is a little bit of a different story than the last times because this time it's snowing. I've never gone on a snow bass before, so that's my goal today: land a bass while it's still snowing. That would be pretty awesome. Something cool to say you've been able to do. And also, I'm hoping to get on some massive white perch today. I haven't gotten any white perch this winter, and it'd be nice to get on a big one today, mixed in with the stripers. So let's get down to the water, taking out the kayak again, let's see what we can do. There we go. I'm on. It's fighting weird. Hopefully. Not like a striper. I think it's a perch. Nope, I think it's a striper. Yeah, striper. Snow bass. Let's go. This one. Yeah.
You got a bass?
Yep. Snow bass. Where'd he go? Yeah, please.
Yo, check this out. Snow falling.
That's sick. That's sweet. Joe, do you have any Kayaks?
Nah.
You want to borrow one?
Yeah, you got one?
Yeah, I got a bunch. Doubled up. Pretty like on that side. It was. Oh, okay.
Small bucktail. Somebody told me that small bucktails kill it in the winter. Put a carp on this tiny rod.
I've caught like smaller carp on this rod, and it's a lot of fun. You on? Nice. Thing's killer.
I know. I can't believe I just found a random pair of Kayaks in my like surf fishing bag. I'm like,
Yeah.
I could probably chill. That is a striper. Can I get the
Oh, is this a perch? No, it's striper. Some of the smaller ones look like they could be state record perch.
The perch feel like a fluke almost.
Okay.
They have very fast tempos. I guess there's a school moving through right now. Come on, there's gotta be like a 30-inch.
Imagine someone was posting a I totally stopped it and this one just picked it up. It was totally stopped, like I was fixing my GoPro and
Could it be? Might be a perch.
no, it's striper. He slammed it. Yeah. Popped off.
Might have hit on the ball.
Yeah, that's what it must have been. Some angry swans.
Oh wow, right there.
Striper again.
Is that back to back?
Back-to-back cast, yeah. You're on too?
I know, that's my mealworm drifting around, not a single hit. Maybe they'll hit a whack. Well, I can tell you they're not hitting the night crawler. Oh, he popped off.
You see him?
Nah, I didn't see him, but he was on there.
Yeah, I'm on.
I gotta stop being a Guggen over here.
I think it's a perch. Come on. Nope. Dink striper.
You got a bass?
Yep.
There we go, fish on.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's fishing session. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry it's been a little while since I posted. I just got back to school and just finished up my first week of classes. So hopefully I can get some more fishing in soon. It seems like we might have some safe ice here soon in Rhode Island, so maybe we could get some ice fishing videos. That'd be pretty cool. Never done that before. But it's pretty awesome holdover session. Got my first ever snow striped bass and some more holdovers in January, which is always awesome. So thank you guys a lot for watching. And new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, and if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the like button. I'll link some of the gear in the description, and I also have some iFishLI apparel, so check that link out as well for the Teespring site. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.